Uh, Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you enjoy the story. Have you ever boarded a ship for a fun getaway, only to imagine it turning into a horror story? Um, um, that's exactly what happened in Amy Bradley's case, a mystery that's puzzled the world for decades. Um, that It started on a family vacation in 1998 aboard a cruise ship. Amy, a 23-year-old, was supposed to be relaxing, but she vanished in a blink during the early morning hours. Her brother saw her on the balcony around 3:40 a.m., not feeling well. Uh, by 6 a.m., when her father checked, um, she was gone, leaving shoes and cigarettes behind. A narrow 30-minute window of disappearance. The ship's staff delayed alerting everyone, allowing passengers to leave before a search began. This raised red flags about their handling of the situation. Witnesses noted crew members acting overly attentive to any. One musician even offered condolences before the disappearance was public, adding to the suspicion of that. Months later, a tourist spotted a woman matching Amy's description on a Curacao beach. She had familiar tattoos and seemed distressed, whisked away by two men. In 1999, a Navy officer claimed to see Amy in a brothel. She allegedly said she left the ship for drugs, fueling theories of trafficking or foul play. By 2005, disturbing photos appeared on an adult website resembling Amy with similar features and tattoos. Um, the FBI investigated but hit dead ends. Despite sightings and media coverage, including a new Netflix docuseries, Amy remains missing. Her family holds on to hope after nearly 30 years. And hey, if you're planning a cruise, remember to lock your balcony door. Mysteries like this aren't just for TV. But with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks for watching.